This was not a routine factory accident. This was a fire that shut down an entire industrial operation. Within minutes, flames spread across critical production zones. Emergency crews arrived fast, but the damage was already escalating. What followed was not just fire suppression. It was the beginning of a complex insurance claim. A claim that would eventually result in an insurance payout of $18.6 million. Today we break down exactly how this loss happened, why the claim was at risk, and what surveyors and adjusters can learn from this case. The factory and risk profile. The insured property was a large industrial manufacturing factory, operating at near full production capacity. Inside the facility were heavy machines, raw material storage, finished goods inventory, and critical production equipment. The insurance program included property damage, machinery breakdown extensions, and business interruption coverage. From a risk perspective, this was a high-exposure site. High electrical load, continuous operations, and combustible materials stored on location. For insurance professionals, this stage matters more than most people realize, because how risk exists before a loss often decides how a claim unfolds after the loss. How the fire started. The fire began during normal operating hours. Initial findings pointed toward an electrical fault inside one of the production zones. A spark ignited nearby combustible material, and the fire spread rapidly. Despite installed safety systems, the flames gained momentum. Heat intensified. Smoke filled large sections of the factory, and visibility dropped dramatically. Emergency shutdown procedures were initiated, but by the time power was fully cut, multiple areas were already compromised. In industrial losses, fire does not wait. Damage beyond flames. The visible damage was severe. Entire production lines were destroyed. Structural elements weakened. Electrical systems rendered unsafe, but fire was only part of the damage. Firefighting water caused extensive secondary losses. Smoke and soot penetrated unaffected zones. Sensitive machinery suffered contamination. Operations came to a complete stop. Orders were delayed. Contracts were impacted. Revenue loss began immediately. This is where many large claims quietly explode in value. Investigation and claim risk. Once the site was secured, the investigation phase began. Insurance-appointed surveyors, engineers, and loss adjusters examined the loss in detail. The key questions were direct. Was the fire sudden and accidental? Were safety systems properly maintained? Did any policy exclusions apply? Electrical records were reviewed, maintenance logs examined, operational procedures analyzed. At this stage, the claim was at real risk. One inconsistency, one missing document, could have delayed or reduced settlement. Salvage and recovery strategy. One critical factor in this case was salvage. Not everything was a total loss. Certain machinery components, raw materials, and equipment could be recovered. Specialist salvage teams assessed what could be dismantled, cleaned, and resold. Recovered assets were marketed through appropriate industrial salvage channels. This recovery reduced the net loss significantly. In high-value claims, salvage is not an afterthought. It is a strategic tool. Final settlement. After weeks of assessment, negotiation, and technical review, insurance accepted the loss as covered. The final settlement amounted to $18.6 million. This included property damage repairs and replacement, business interruption losses, and associated mitigation costs. The process took months, but the outcome was clear. Cause was established, documentation was consistent, and the claim survived scrutiny. Lessons for surveyors and adjusters. This factory fire offers powerful lessons. Early risk understanding is critical. Secondary damage must never be underestimated. Documentation can protect or destroy a claim. And salvage is a professional responsibility, not a formality. If you have watched till this point, share your view on this case study in the comments. And if there is a major insurance loss you believe deserves deep analysis, tell us below. We may cover it next. All content is educational, anonymized, and based on publicly available industry information. We do not assign blame or make legal allegations.